Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this CELPIP email, the writer clearly explains a problem with their new apartment. If you want more time to read, you can pause the video now. This answer includes all 3 points from the task. It gives details about the problems. The kitchen sink is leaking, explains how they affect daily life, hard to sleep, and asks for action when someone can come to repair. The email has a friendly but polite tone, with a clear greeting and closing. The ideas are organized into short, clear paragraphs. Each paragraph talks about one main topic. This helps the reader understand the message easily. The email is formal, which is the right style when writing to a building manager. The writer uses helpful linking words like firstly, secondly, lastly, so, and because to connect ideas. These are useful for making your writing more organized. The words access and repair are good examples of stretch words. They are slightly more advanced, but still easy to understand in this context. One good tip for beginners is to use simple sentence patterns when describing a problem. Say what is wrong, then explain why it matters. For example, the window is broken. I cannot close it. That makes your ideas clear and easy to follow. This response explains why the writer prefers learning in a group with a teacher. If you want more time to read it, you can pause the video now. The answer starts by clearly choosing option A. Then it gives two strong reasons. A teacher can help me, and learning in a group gives me motivation. These ideas are explained in simple, clear sentences with good examples. The email has a short opening, two body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The tone is semi-formal, which fits well for a community center. Each paragraph focuses on one reason. This makes the writing well-organized and easy to follow. The writer uses helpful linking words like firstly, also, sometimes, and so. These words help the reader understand how the ideas are connected. The words confident and motivation are good examples of stretch words. They are a little more advanced, but still clear and correct for this level. One practical tip for beginners is to think of two strong reasons before writing. That way, you can stay focused and give good examples. Keep your ideas simple and clear, and use linking words to help the reader follow your thoughts. This answer explains why the writer likes to learn using online videos. If you need more time to read it, feel free to pause now. The writer clearly states their choice by saying, "I prefer to learn alone using online videos." After that, they give two strong reasons. I can study at my own pace, and I can repeat the lessons. These ideas are explained clearly with good examples that many people can relate to. The response uses a simple structure with an introduction, two body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Each paragraph gives one main reason, which helps the reader follow the message easily. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which fits a community setting. Useful linking words in this answer include firstly, also, if, that is why, and because. These connect ideas clearly. The stretch words schedule and flexible are a bit more advanced, but used correctly and clearly. They show a higher level of vocabulary, while still being understandable for beginner learners. Here's one helpful tip. If you're writing about online learning, explain how it fits into your daily life. Real examples like pause the video or study at home help your ideas feel clear and honest.